What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. Today was insane in the markets. We're talking nearly 80% gains on a single stock. Yeah, you heard that right. $CCTG absolutely exploded today. Up 79.6% on massive volume. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. We've got 5 massive gainers and 5 brutal losers to break down. If you missed today's moves, stick around because we're going to show you exactly what happened, why it happened, and what you need to watch for tomorrow. Let's jump in. Alright, let's set the stage for what was an absolutely wild Monday, June 16th, 2026. Today's market was dominated by micro-cap and penny stock action. We're seeing extreme volatility across the board with relative volume hitting 2.0 times normal on several tickers. This kind of activity typically signals either major catalysts, short squeezes, or significant news events. We've got over 1 billion shares traded on $OBAI alone. And we're seeing circuit breakers triggered on some of these moves. Volume is king today, people. And that's what's driving these massive percentage swings. Let's dive into the winners first. Starting at number 1. $CCTG absolutely crushed it today. Up 79.6%. Closing at $1.40 on over 242 million shares with 2.0 times relative volume. The catalyst here is a trading halt resumption. $CCTG, that's CCSC Technology International, was halted on a circuit break earlier today, which typically means there's news coming. When a stock resumes trading after a halt, sometimes you get a gap up. And the classic halt and resume volatility. Number 2. $OBAI. That's our bond AI, or our bond stock. Up 69.6% at $0.906 on absolutely monstrous volume. We're talking 980 million shares traded. 2.0 times relative volume. This thing was moving. The catalyst here is concrete. Our bond announced a $3.3 million debt exchange. And more importantly, a major city has purchased bond licenses for all 27 locations. That's real buzzy. LOL'd act as resistance on a retest number 3. CRVO. Up 59.5%. Trading at $3.956 on nearly 400 million shares. The volume on this one is absolutely crushing it. 2.0 times relative volume. The news hook is Wall Street analysts chasing the next big breakout. And CRVO is clearly in that conversation. This is Denver-based. And it's getting attention from institutional money. That $3.956 level is important. It's a pivot point. DC another leg higher tomorrow. Number 4. NMRA. NMRA Therapeutics. Up 49.8% to $1.37. Now here's the interesting thing. We've got some conflicting news. Needham maintained a buy rating but lowered the price target. And H.C. Wainwright maintained a buy. However, there's also news about penny stock NMRA cutting workforce after depression. This is a biotech play that's getting support from analysts despite operational chal. That $1.30 to $1.40 range closely. Number 5. LPRO. Up 47.6% at $3.10 on almost 28 million shares. Volume is lower here at 1.0 times relative, which means this move is more measured. The news is about shareholder investigations into open lending, which means lawyers are involved. These investigations often precede settlement announcements, which can either be positive or negative. The $3.10 level is where support establish. Now let's talk pain. Number 1 loser. CIIT. Tianxi International. Down a brutal 62.2% at $0.56 on 16.5 million shares. The catalyst here is not good. The company priced approximately $4.9 million in new offerings, which means massive dilution. Additionally, crude oil dropped 5% today, which is hurting energy exposure. This stock got absolutely decimated. The $0.56 level is critical. If this breaks, we see 0.40 next. This is a wounded stock. Number 2. SDOT. Down 46.7% at $12.50 on very light volume. The red flag here is SEC filings for material definitive agreements. This language typically means an acquisition, merger, or major strategic shift. When you see this kind of drop on this news, the market doesn't like the terms. The $12.50 level is now resistance. Watch for more details on the actual agreement. Number 3. SNWV. Details on the actual agreement. Number 3. SNWV. Down 42% at $8.51. This one has multiple SEC filings including Regulation FD disclosure and financial statements. The company submitted matters to shareholder vote, and results of operations show operational issues. This is a governance and financial health problem. The $8.51 level is fresh support. If it breaks, $7.50 is next. Number 4. CUPR. Cuprina Holdings. Down 38.08. If it breaks, $7.50 is next. Number 4. CUPR. Cuprina Holdings. Down 38.2% at $5.20. This stock was up 112% recently. So today's move is a reversal of overbought conditions. Healthcare stocks are softer across the board, and this pullback was inevitable after such a massive run. The $5.20 level is support, but expect volatility here. This is classic profit taking. Number 5. DOMO. Down 36.8% at $2. This is classic profit taking. Number 5. DOMO. Down 36.8% at $2.06 on heavy volume. TD Cowen downgraded this from buy to hold and cut the price target down to $3. That's a significant downgrade. The analysts are saying this isn't a buy anymore, which spooked investors. The $2.06 level is new support. But with a $3 price target, there's limited upside. This is a broken stock for now. Okay, here's what I'm watching for tomorrow. First, CCTG and OBAI need to hold their gains. If these resume trading tomorrow without a reversal, we could see extensions higher. That's the key. Confirmation. Second, watch the energy sector because crude oil was down. If crude stabilizes or bounces tomorrow, CIIT could stabilize. That's a contrarian play if you're feeling brave. Third, keep your eye on those SEC filings from SDOT and SNWV. More details about those material agreements will either confirm the sell-off or provide a turnaround catalyst. Fourth, healthcare. If the sector bounces, CUPR could recover some ground. And finally, monitor institutional involvement. Did big money buy this dip on LPRO and CRVO? Or are they selling rallies? Volume will tell us tomorrow. These setups often have follow-through days. The stocks that hold support often see continuation. The ones that break support usually see capitulation. Tomorrow will tell us which is which. Every day after market close, we break down the top gainers and losers so you never miss a major move. Subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified the moment we publish. Tomorrow we'll cover a brand new set of movers. See you then. If you want detailed analysis, setups, and educational content about trading, head over to tdvw.com. That's where we break down everything from technical analysis to fundamental catalysts. We've got resources, research, and real-time updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow with another daily recap. Keep grinding, traders.